It's really sad to see like a 40-year-old man who's made nothing but a string of horrible, short-sighted choices trying to repair his life and find that there's some areas you can't repair, right? Trying to repair his health when you've been using dope and drinking all that, for 20 something years. Now you 40 something, you're trying to get it back together. But now you got all these other health ailments that come from the fact that you've been drinking, smoking, and getting high every day since you were 20, and nobody told you that your body won't be able to handle that at some point. The same guy. He has two 20-something-year-old children that he made back in the 90s because he was getting it in and sleeping with hoes, and he's got other kids out here that he doesn't even know. All those kids hate him. None of those kids respect him. None of those kids want anything to do with him, because when you ask those kids, what about your daddy? They say, my daddy was a bum. Right? Well, why? Well, because back when my daddy was in his 20s and young and had energy, he didn't want to spend time with us. He was not a good person. He did not treat us well. He harmed us in significant ways.